Key stock. KEY stock analysis and price prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at KeyCorp, sitting at like almost $16, but it's like 9% off for the day. If I come here, this is how the price looks like. Overall, a pretty bullish market. I'll give it that. You know, if I go check out the monthly or the weekly chart, price been going up. So I'm looking at the price and I'm just trying to double down on these bullishness that we see right here. So one way that I would approach it is wait for the price to pull back inside my demand area here, and then, you know, I'd take higher, or because we are here right now, you know, and if the price pulls down and gives the rules, only then I'm taking it higher. You know, if it just starts to go without me, so be it. Sometimes I'm not going to be a part of every single movement ever, so I'm waiting for that. Definitely keep you updated. I'm just going to pull like a wait sign, and that's it. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews 5 stars.